Hello guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share a jewelry organization idea using card box. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For this project, I'll be using this beautiful card box that I received from a package. First, I'll go ahead and cut all the flaps that I won't be needing. Next, I'll go ahead and use this beautiful white contact paper to cover the whole box. I use my hand to smooth it down to remove any bubbles to make sure that everything is nice and neat. To cover the side that I'll be considered the front, I'll be using this foam glitter sheet, and I'll just go ahead and put it in the middle of the box. Also be using this wall decal. It's a reflective mirror self-adhesive crown. I'll go ahead and add it to the glitter sheet. As far as the inside of the box, I'll be using this marble contact paper, and I'll go ahead and use my X-Acto knife to make any deep grooves to still allow the box to close. To divide the inside of the box, I'll be using this foam board that I cut to size, and they will be covered with this pink contact paper. To make sure that they are well secure inside the box, I'll be using fixable adhesive as well as a hot glue for a quick hold. Next, as the box is really deep, I'll go ahead and use those foam sheets that I once again received from a package, and I'll glue a few of them together and just tuck them inside the partitions. create a part that will hold specifically some earrings and rings, or go ahead and use some foam that I'll later on cut some deep grooves in. I'll go ahead and glue it to the previous piece that will be held for the earrings. To cover the foam, I'll simply use some felt and I'll go ahead and use glue to make sure that it stays in between the grooves. And once that was done, I just stuck it in the box where it will be staying. As far as the other parts, I just simply use this faux leather pink fabric and just like simply cover them. I got those online and they are for jewelry holders, so I simply use one for necklace, one for rings, and one for earrings. And in order to hold all the necklaces in place, I'll be creating a deep pocket that I'll go ahead and glue under the side that the hook for the necklace will be. For that, I simply use some fabric as well as double-sided tape, and I'll use the same double-sided tape to glue it on the box. Since I do own a lot of earrings, I wanted to create extra space for them, and I will be using this pink marquee that I'll go ahead and just make some holes in. I'll be using some wooden cubes to go ahead and make some risers under the box. decorate the side of the box, I'll be using those jewelry borders. At first, I wasn't planning on making a handle, but I'll be using this cabinet handle to simply glue it onto the flap of the box. As the inside was mixing something, I went on and got this soft adhesive mirror and just glue it inside of the box. And to finalize the decoration on the box, I'll be using those die cut butterflies. They are so beautiful. Just like this, we have ourselves a beautiful jewelry organizer using just a card box. Just imagine that every beautiful box that you get, you can use it as storage. In love with how it turned out, and I'm so excited that I finally got a place to display all my jewelries. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.